Now, I know you guys have never heard of me, but at one point in time, they did.
Alive, she don't know what to do now. She cannot hide the feeling that she feels inside.
That's your boy Mo Fresh. What's going on, everybody? I just wanted to tell you guys just some of the shocking truths about the music industry. Now, again, like I said, a lot of people don't know me. They don't know where I came from. You probably never heard any of my music. But there's a point in time about 5 years ago where a lot of people did. And a lot of you guys who are watching this video might not even have been old enough to even know or care, but I made a lot of music. I've worked with a lot of people, a lot of celebrities. I've been in a lot of meeting rooms. And one thing that I wanted to reveal, one of the most shocking truths about the music industry, is something that was shared to me by my manager at the time. If you guys can, before I share it, please like and subscribe, comment, your thoughts after the video. It really does help the engagement of my channel. That's why I'm asking. But ultimately, I care about getting the truth out, and I care about people having a voice. And I'm so grateful that there's YouTube. I'm so grateful that all these podcasts are blowing up because it's giving us voices. Sorry for the wind in the background and all the sounds. Let's get right into it. Okay, so one of my managers, we were at a dinner, and one thing he told me is he said, "You're super lucky." This is actually, this is after my show with Wiz. And he was like, "You're super lucky." And I was like, "Why? What did I do? Why am I the lucky guy?" And he said, "Because you lucked out because I discovered you." He said, "There might be a guy with even more talent that's in the middle of, is in Kansas, and there's no agent, there's nobody next to him. So that artist will never be broke," which means in the industry, that means that getting out to more people. So when he said that, I was like, huh. So it's because I live in Los Angeles at the time, well, Long Beach in particular, but it's because I'm in Southern California around a lot of these A&Rs and stuff anyways, that is the reason why I made it. And I remember sitting down with my entertainment lawyers at the time, which that's a whole separate video. And you guys, gosh, there's so much you guys don't know. But I don't think you need to know anyways if that's not what you want to do. If it is what you want to do, then I might make a follow-up video to this one. One thing before I even share anymore is that I'm not bitter. I'm not mad at all, because I chose to walk away from everything. You can go listen to my music now, Mo Fresh, the $ is an S, and you can look, you can see all my stuff. You can see all the music I've released. You can see it, you can listen to it. I produce everything. Johnson is my physical blood brother, and the last songs is him actually on the beat. I put his tag out there. He's awesome. You go check out his but all those other songs, I come on, because I started out as a producer. That's what actually got me somewhere. But I remember sitting in a room. Oh, that was what I was saying, which was, I'm not bitter because I chose to walk away from everything, because I was at a place where I was like, I started reading the Bible, and I was like, I'm not doing what's in the Bible. I might throw God here in my songs here and there, but I'm telling people to do drugs. I'm telling people to pop pills. And it sounds cool. I'm throwing out curse words because it's a cool cadence with it, crazily enough. But I'm like, but I never did that stuff. I don't pop pills, and I struggle with panic attacks and anxiety. I don't know about you guys, but I struggle with that stuff. So it was hard for me to even enjoy half these things, the shows, the people, the money. It was hard for me to enjoy it because of all my panic attacks. I was like, I'm gonna die. And if you guys struggle with panic attacks, you understand what I'm saying. I'm not bitter. When I read in the scriptures and I saw where my life was and how I wasn't following God, I was like, okay, the music industry is this way, and God is this way, and I'm gonna follow God. Doesn't mean I need to make music, but I'm not gonna take that route. Nor am I saying that people who are in the music industry, every one of them, they're like demon possessed. I'm not saying that at all. I'm sharing, this is what my platform allows me to do, is I get to share my truth, and I get to share what happened to me in my life, and hopefully me sharing that despite what people are gonna say, either bitter, whatever, mad, upset, salty, I didn't make it. I've heard all kind of comments already, like nobody knows you. None of that matters, man. And I'm to people who have been put down, like I have. Don't listen to them. Don't let them judge you by your personal appearance. Don't let them judge you by any defects you think you have or what people tell you have, because I've already proven that, and I'm doing it now, which is why you're watching this video, that with a dream and with passion, you can accomplish anything. You can. And all the naysayers are just that. They're just naysayers. They're just words, but you can do it. So anyways, as I'm at this meeting with the lawyers and going over my contract, I remember sitting there. I'm at one of the top buildings in Los Angeles, literally one of the highest buildings. It's so secretive that you can't even press a button to go up. They have to ring you up. There's no buttons. And I remember being in there, and I was so in awe of just like, dang, this is where my life is. Like, wow, like this is like really happening to me. I remember taking a picture of me up there, and I was just thinking like, dang, I'm really gonna make it. And the money that we were talking, I wrote something for like $120,000, like I had like my own proposal, and I was like way off about how much money that I was gonna be making. And I never forget one of my homeboys that was with me, and I'm over here telling them like, okay, so I had something to share with you. And I remember I put up, because we had drafted this whole entire contract. And then as I was opening it, but they were already telling me all the money and how many people, Playboy Cardi went through this lawyer group, ASAP Rocky and them, like ASAP Mob. And I remember I was about to show them my proposal for how much money, which is, I said $120,000, which I was like, it's gonna take care of this. I had it all written out. My boy was like, he like told me to put the camera down. Cause he's like, no, don't say that, cause you're gonna undercut us. And I was like, and so I literally like put the computer down. Like, I mean, not the camera, but the computer. I was like, but I remember up there, they were telling me about like, yeah, oh yeah, we got writers, you know, we got producers, we got all that. And in my head, I was like, wait a second, wait, a musician though. Like, aren't I here because of my talent? Like, cause you heard my song and like, my manager liked my song, which I had one of the, he was like never really officially my manager, but that dude, from the kindness of his heart, just wanted me to succeed. And still to this day, I still think about him at least once a week. And I still can't believe that there are people with that kind of hearts out there that they just people to do good. And if you see this, you know who I'm talking about, and I'm super grateful. I'm super grateful that you were moving around for me to just get on, you know, and you did a lot of the work for me, and I really am appreciative. I know it's been years since we talked, but thank you for everything that you've done. I can't say that enough. But I remember sitting there thinking like, writers, like I'm a musician, like I produced all this stuff, it's not worth anything. And I'm gonna tell you guys this, one of the most shocking things about the music industry is it's not about the music. All of you guys out there, listen to me. It is not about the music. It is not about the music. I'm looking right at the camera now. It's not about the music. It is not about the music. The music is 10% of it. The business side is 90% of it, and that's the thing that matters. And you might have a problem with what I said, but play this back in 5 years when you're just focusing on, I'm gonna make the best songs, and you're gonna still be in the same place. Because it's not about the music. And I understood that fully when I was at that meeting. And I said, oh wow. I was like, I don't really even need to be talented. Maybe I only need to look good and have people that were following me. But the thing that actually mattered was getting in line with the program and doing what does, which actually worked to break artists. But I needed to get along in line with the program and not trying to be this crazy musician guy. Trust me, people, like, you have no clue how many people, like, it's too interrupt. And this video is too long anyways. So, the most shocking truth about the music industry is that it's really not about the music, guys. It's really not about the music. there's a whole business side that I'm not here to expose anybody. But what I am here to tell you guys is if you want to do music at a high level, start understanding the business. Start understanding branding. Start marketing yourselves to people who are actually going to get you to where you want to go. I know people want to make it as a social media influencer and a YouTuber. Find a niche, but don't just do something that you see a lot of people getting clicks on. Do the thing that you're the most passionate about, no matter how crazy it is. Comedy, cooking, building stuff. Like, find your niche that you won't have a problem sacrificing hours and hours and hours and thousands of hours to learn and perfect because you enjoy it. That's the thing that you're gonna want to pick. And will say as well as to implore you guys is get a relationship. Please, 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 will get eaten up in any industry in entertainment, but get a relationship with God. Yes, the God of the Bible. Learn about him. Go through the scriptures. Like, I know you guys might not believe it. Some of you guys think it's fake, whatever. But I'm telling you right now, when you know the things that I know, you understand how real it is. But it's all good because I'm grateful for what I have now. I'm grateful for everybody who's been supporting my music to this time. I'm grateful for everybody who loves my YouTube and all the little relaxing music and the meditation music or study music that I make. I'm grateful for everybody who's shown me support, and I'm not bitter at all. There's no bitterness. I wouldn't change where I'm at right now for the world. I'm grateful, I'm happy, and most importantly, I'm here to help. Jesus is the best. It's your boy Mo Fresh.